Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been wondering how creators make AI avatars that talk with their own voice and perfectly synced lips, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through everything step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. First, open the AI platform you're using in your browser. If you're a new user, click Sign Up and create your account using your Google account or email address. If you already have an account, simply click Login and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard, where you'll find different AI creation tools. Now, go to the AI avatar or character section. You can either choose one of the built-in avatars or upload your own image to create a personalized AI character. For the best results, use a clear, high-resolution photo where the face is fully visible. Next comes the exciting part. Find the voice or audio option. Here, you can upload a voice recording, or, if the platform supports it, record your voice directly. For better lip sync, record your audio in a quiet room with minimal background noise. Speak clearly at a natural pace, and avoid talking too fast. Cleaner audio usually produces more accurate lip synchronization. After uploading your voice, enable the lip sync feature. This allows the AI to analyze your speech and automatically match your character's mouth movements to every word you say. Some platforms also let you adjust facial expressions, head movement, eye contact, and emotions. If these options are available, spend a few moments fine-tuning them to make your AI character look more realistic and engaging. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Depending on the platform and video length, the AI may take a few minutes to process your video. When it's finished, preview the result carefully. If the lip movements don't feel perfectly natural, try improving your voice recording or using a higher quality image. Small adjustments often make a noticeable difference. Finally, download your completed video and use it for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, presentations, or any other content you want to create. And that's it. You now know how to make your AI character speak with your own voice and create realistic lip sync videos from start to finish. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.